Welcome to the biggest science quiz competition of Northeast, sci-connect 2018, being organized by Vigyan Prasar. We all have gathered here in Gangtok for sci-connect 2018 Level 2 Quiz Competition program. I am Yonita, your anchor cum quizmaster. Today, we are honored to have with us Sri Sachin Narvadia, scientist from Vigyan Prasar, coordinator of sci-connect quiz competition. Sci-connect is a program specially designed for the students of northeastern states of India, initiated by Vigyan Prasar, an autonomous institution under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, in collaboration with all state councils of science and technology situated at state capitals of northeastern states and Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Assam. The speciality of this quiz show is that it is based on the content of the films produced by Vigyan Prasar and syllabus of class 8th and 9th. Today, we are gathered here in Gangtok and all the children have come from schools of different districts across Sikkim. The crowning glory of Sikkim, Mount Kanchenjunga, which is the third highest mountain in the world. Sikkim is a window for the Himalaya, a wonderland of spectacular natural beauty. The panoramic view of the snow-capped Himalayas, the scent of alpine meadows, thousands of varieties of wild flowers, the vibrant culture and joyous festivals. The infinite variety of its flora and fauna makes it both fascinating and challenging. As today we are here for the sci-connect program, let me brief about the program. This program has 3 levels. Level 1 was a district level competition. In this level, all registered schools of Sikkim were provided 33 science films produced by Vigyan Prasar for the screening at schools. After screening of films, an objective type written examination was conducted jointly with Sikkim State Council of Science and Technology, Gangtok. From the students who participated in the written examination, first 30 students were selected for Level 2 quiz competition cum hands-on science workshop. Out of 30 students, first 15 students are now facing the quiz competition and all 30 students participated in the 3-day hands-on science workshop organized by Vigyan Prasar. The first winning team of Level 2 from Sikkim today, along with all other northeastern states, will go to the final level to be held in Agartala, Tripura. So I welcome you all once again for the Level 2 sci-connect quiz competition program. Before we begin, I would like all the participants to kindly introduce themselves to our audience. We will begin with Team A. Team A, please introduce yourselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Tashi Chesubutia and I am from Government Girls Senior Secondary School. I read in class 9 and my hobby is to read storybooks.
Hello everyone, my name is Prayash Gurum. I am from Victoria Cross Gonjulama, South Sikkim, Ravangla. I read in class 9 and my hobby is to play table tennis.
Hi, my name is J. Jessica Esther. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gangtok. I study in class 9 and my hobby is knitting.
Thank you Team A for your introduction. We will now request Team B to kindly introduce yourselves.
Hi everyone, my name is Sunongmi Lepcha from Sonam Chota Lepcha Memorial Secondary School, Lingdong, North Sikkim, and I read in class 9 and my hobby is to play football.
My name is Namgil Dorji Bhutia and I am from Holy Cross School, Tadong. I study in the Standard 8 and my hobby is to play football and listen to music.
Hello everyone, my name is Prikshana Karki, representing State Sikkim. I study at Gazing Girls Senior Secondary School, Kyongsa, and my hobbies are painting and gardening.
Thank you Team B for the introduction. Team C, kindly introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name is Lusongmit Lepcha from Sonam Chota Lepcha Memorial Secondary School. I read in class 8 and my hobbies are reading storybooks and listening music.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjit Bera. I am from Government Senior Secondary School, Peling. I study in class 9 and my hobby is to play cricket.
Hi everyone, my name is Rufina Ani Chitri. I am from VCGL Senior Secondary, Ravangla. I am in class 9 and my hobby is dancing.
Thank you Team C for your introduction. Team D, Kindly introduce yourselves.
Hello everybody, I am Indra Maya Gurung from Sonam Chota Lepcha Memorial Secondary School, North Sikkim, and I read in class 9 and my hobby is to read novels.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Lepcha from Sonam Chota Lepcha Memorial Secondary School, and I read in class 9 and my hobby is to play badminton.
Hello everyone, my name is Asta Sharma. I am from Gazing Girls Senior Secondary School. I am in class 9 and my hobby is to listen music.
Thank you Team D for your introduction. We will now request Team E to introduce yourselves.
Hello everyone, my name is MD Osman Ali from Biraspati Parsai Government Senior Secondary School at Standard Class 9. My hobby is to play football.
Hello everyone, my name is Supriya Kumari and I study in VCL Senior Secondary School, Rabangla in class 9 and my hobby is playing badminton.
Hello, myself Adon Lepcha and I am from Sonam Chota Lepcha Memorial School. I study in class 9 and my hobby is cooking.
Thank you for your introduction teams. We will now start the quiz. Before we begin, teams, are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, so round 1 of the quiz is a multiple choice questionnaire. Each team will get 2 questions with multiple choices. If unanswered, questions will not pass on to the next team. Each question will have 10 points. Answer time is 10 seconds for every question. Teams, are you clear? Alright, so Team A, we will begin with you and your first question is: the roof and walls of auditorium are generally covered with compressed fiberboard too, and your options are A. Allow multiple reflection of sound waves, B. Reduce reverberation, C. Produce echo, or D. Amplify the sound.
Option D, amplify the sound.
I'm sorry Team A, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option B, reduce reverberation. Team B, are you ready? Your question for this round is: collagen is found in which of the following? And your options are A. Fish, B. Soybean, C. Banana, D. Apple.
Option A, fish.
Congratulations Team B, that is the correct answer. We now move on to Team C for your first question for this round. Team C, your question is: calculation of area of a circle involves which of the following? And your options are A. Integral calculus, B. Differential calculus, C. Simple arithmetic, or D. Simple algebra. I'm sorry Team C, your time is up. The correct answer is option A, integral calculus. Team D, so your question is: how much percent of water content is present in our body? And your options are option A, 60 to 70%, option B, 20 to 25%, option C, 10 to 15%, and option D, 30 to 40%.
Option A, 60 to 70%.
Congratulations Team D, your answer is absolutely correct. We now move on to Team E for this round's first question to the team, and your question is: what is the process of converting atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate is called? And your options are option A, nitrogenation, option B, nitrogen fixation, option C, nitrification, and option D, denitrification.
Option A, nitrogenation.
I'm sorry Team E, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option B, nitrogen fixation. Teams, are you nervous? Or are you excited? Both. Alright, so now we have the second question for this round to Team A. And Team A, your question is: what type of device is Kipu? And your options are option A, to store numbers, option B, a calculating device, option C, both a calculating as well as a storing device, and option D, a calculating device that cannot store numbers.
Option C.
I'm sorry team A, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option A, to store numbers. We now move on to team B for your second question for this round, and your question is, how many times faster or slower the sound travels in liquid than in air medium? And your options are option A, 4.3 times faster, option B, 3.4 times faster, option C, 4.3 times slower, and option D, 3.4 times slower.
Option D, 3.4 times slower.
I am sorry team B, that is not the correct answer. The right answer is option A, 4.3 times faster. Team C, your question for this round is, Marie Curie got Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the discovery of, and your options are A, polonium and radium, B, polonium and thorium, C, thorium and radium, or D, uranium and radium.
D. Option D, uranium and radium.
I'm sorry team C, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option A, polonium and radium. Team D, your final question for this round is, Sir J.C. Bose's experiment on plants show that plant cells can be excited by which of the following? And your options are option A, by cutting its leaf, option B, by internal stimuli, option C, talking about plants, or option D, by donating the plants.
Option A, by cutting its leaf.
Congratulations team D, your answer is absolutely correct. Team E, are you ready? Alright, so the final question for this round goes to Team E, and your question is, the losses in the cyclone disaster in 2014 is much reduced compared to 1999 because of which of the following reason in relation to India Meteorological Department or IMD? And your options are option A, upgradation of technology, option B, increased preparedness, option C, difference in the intensity of cyclones, or option D, second cyclone covered less area.
Option C, differences in the intensity of cyclones.
I am sorry team E, the answer is not correct. The correct answer is option A, upgradation of technology. With this, we come to the end of round 1. Thank you teams for your performance for this round 1. We have the scores now, and Team B is at 10 points while Team D is at 20 points. Other teams, I hope that you will score better in the upcoming rounds. So now we will begin with the round 2 of sci-connect level 2 quiz competition. Teams, are you ready to score? Yeah. Alright, so round 2 is a one-word answer round. Each team will get 1 question with 10 points to each question. The question will be one-word answer type. If unanswered, questions will pass on to the immediate next team only, and it will carry 5 bonus points. Answer time for the first team is 20 seconds. The pass on question will give you only 10 seconds. Team A, your question for this round is, what is the noise level in decibels marked as federal threshold for hearing protection?
More than 20,000 decibels.
The answer is wrong, Team A. The question now passes on to Team B.
Up to 100 decibels.
Sorry, Team A and Team B, both the answers are not correct. The correct answer is 85 decibels. Alright, so Team B, are you ready? Okay, so Team B, your question for this round is, the fertilized egg formed by the union of two gametes is called as what?
Zygote.
Congratulations, Team B, that is the correct answer. Team C, your question for this round is, in case of Roman number, the word L stands for which number?
50.
Thank you, Team C, for the correct answer. We now move on to Team D. Team D, your question for this round is, how many types of hepatitis are there in human beings?
Three.
I'm sorry, Team D, the answer is wrong. The question now passes on to Team E.
2.
I'm sorry, teams, the answer is wrong. The correct answer is there are 5 different types of hepatitis in the human body. Alright, so now we move on to Team E for your question for this round. And your question is, in general, carnivorous plants grow in soil with fewer amounts of which element?
Nitrogen.
Congratulations, Team E. The answer is correct. We have come to the end of round 2, and this time the teams have fared much better. Team B, Team C and Team E have scored 10 points each. The total scores of round 1 and round 2 are as follows. Team B is at 20 points, Team C is at 10 points, Team D is at 20 points, Team E is at 10 points. Team A, are you very nervous? I hope all the teams are now going to relax and answer this really well, because this is a very exciting round. Round 3 is a buzzer round. This round has negative marking for every wrong answer. Each team will be awarded 10 points for the correct answers. The question will be one word answer type. After appearance of question, buzzer needs to be pressed immediately if a team knows the answer. Opportunity for answering will be given to the team who responds first. Wrong answer will deduct 2 marks from the total score. Right answer will give you 10 marks. If unanswered, question will pass on only to the immediate next team and will carry 5 bonus points. No deduction of marks in case of pass on questions. So teams, are we clear? Alright, so the first question for the buzzer round is, which color is dispersed least in a white light ray? Team E.
Violet.
I'm sorry, Team E, the answer is wrong. The question now passes on to Team A.
Red.
Congratulations, Team A. Five points will be awarded to Team A for the right answer. Alright, teams. So your next question for the buzzer round is, what is the name of chemical produced by garlic cloves which is responsible for their strong pungency and aroma? sorry teams, the time is up. The correct answer for this question is Allison. Alright teams, I hope you will take the risk and answer next time. Alright, so we now have the third question for this round. Are you all ready? Okay, so the next question for this round, teams, be ready with your buzzers. Your question is, what is the mean of first 10 odd natural numbers? I'm sorry teams, your time is up. The correct answer for this question is 10. Alright, so the fourth question for this round, give the name of the genetic material which carries blueprint of every life form. Team B.
DNA.
Congratulations Team B, the answer is absolutely correct. The last and the final question for this round. Teams, are your buzzers ready? Alright, so your last question for this round is, when a stationary car moves forward suddenly, the passengers experience jerking. In which direction? Team A.
Backward direction.
Congratulations Team A, the answer is correct. With this we come to the end of round 3. After the third round, the scores are as follows. Team A is at 15 points, Team B is at 30 points, Team C is at 10 points, Team D is at 20 points and Team E is at 8 points. We now move on to the next round. Teams, are you excited? Alright teams, I am excited too. So this round 4 is photo identification round. In this round, each team will get one question as a picture which will be shown on the screen. If identified without any clue, then 10 points will be awarded. 2 points for each clue will be deducted for the next 4 clues. If unanswered, the question will not pass on to the next team. Total time for answering is 1.5 minutes. Teams, are we clear? Before we begin, I want all the teams to understand that the negative marking or the deduction of points is not from the final score. The points reduced will be out of 10. So if you use one clue, you will be scored out of 8. So let's begin round 4 with Team A. Team A, your photo in question will be displayed on the screen now. Identify the fish.
Please give first clue.
The first clue for Team A, 5 species of this fish thrives in the North Pacific waters of the United States and Canada. Would you like your second clue? Team A, second clue.
Please give second clue.
Alright, second clue for Team A. They begin their lives in freshwater streams, lakes and rivers and migrate to the sea as small fish called smalls. Team A, would you like your third clue? Yeah. Third clue? Sorry Team A, your time is up. The correct answer for this question is Pacific salmon. Alright. Team B, are you ready? Your photo in question for this round is now appearing on the screen. Identify this animal.
Sloth.
Congratulations, Team B. Team C, are you ready? Alright, so Team C, your photo in question will now appear on the screen. Identify this organism.
Please give clue.
First clue? First clue for Team C, it is a whale.
Blue whale.
Sorry, it's not the correct answer. Would you like a second clue?
Please give the second clue.
The second clue is, these are also culturally important to indigenous communities in the Arctic. Third clue? Team C, would you like a third clue? The third clue for Team C, like polar bears, this whale depends on sea ice for its existence. Team C, fourth clue. Fourth clue, Team C. Alright, Team C, your time is up. The correct answer for this question is narwhale. Team D, your photo in question is now appearing on the screen. Identify this bird. Team D, would you like your first clue?
Please give the first clue.
First clue for Team D. The blue-yellow bird lives in Amazonian rainforest. Team D, second clue for you.
Please give the second clue.
Second clue for Team D. They are highly intelligent, made for life and can live up to 60 years. Third clue for Team D.
Please give the third clue.
Third clue for Team D. WWF supports efforts to phase out importing wild birds to the United States for conservation. Alright, Team D, I'm sorry, your time is up. The name of this bird is macaw. Team E, are you ready? Your photo in question will appear on the screen now. Identify this animal.
Please give the first clue.
The first clue for Team E. It had a chestnut brown coat, pale belly and a double stripe of gold down its back.
Please give the second clue.
The second clue for Team E. In 1990, a new species of this animal, the golden mantled animal, was discovered in the Torricelli Mountains of Papua New Guinea. Team E, third clue for you.
Please give the third clue.
Third clue for Team E. They are now the largest tree-dwelling mammals in Australia. I'm sorry, Team E, the time is up. The correct answer for this question is tree kangaroo. With this, we come to the end of round 4. The scores are as follows. Team A is at 15 points, Team B is at 40 points, Team C is at 10 points, Team D is at 20 points and Team E is at 8 points. Congratulations all the teams. We will now proceed to the last and final round of this quiz competition. It is a rapid fire or true or false round. That is, every question has to be answered in either true or false. Each team will be asked continuous questions for 1.5 minutes or maximum 8 questions. Answer should be given in true or false only. Each questions will carry 5 points. Every team will choose a representative and only the representative will answer. So, Team A, who is your representative? Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is J. Jessica Esther. I will be the representative of Team A.
Jessica, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, so Team A, your first question for this round is: fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory.
False.
Right answer? Nowadays, safety match contains only antimony disulfide and potassium chlorate.
True.
Right answer. Medical records cannot be stored electronically as it contains X-ray plates and pathological slides.
False.
Right answer. In India, digitization of medical record is yet to start.
False.
Right answer. Lipid is the main component of plant cell wall.
False.
Right answer. Bacteria does not have nucleus.
True.
Wrong answer. An object moving faster can do more work than an identical object moving relatively slow.
True.
Right answer. The kinetic energy of an object moving with a certain speed is less than the work done on it to acquire that speed.
True.
Wrong answer. Congratulations Team A, you had 6 out of 8 correct. You get 30 points for this round. Team B, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, Team B, please introduce your representative.
My name is Namgil Dorji Bhutia and I'll be representing Team B.
Alright, Namgil, so your first question for this round is: a goldsmith uses the outermost zone of a flame for melting gold and silver.
True.
Right answer. Magnesium ribbon on burning in air produces magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride.
True.
Wrong answer. India has not produced any workable online medical record keeping system.
False.
Right answer. ICT has not played any major role in Indian society as yet.
False.
Right answer. Water obeys the law of diffusion.
True.
Right answer. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose.
True.
Right answer. In a saturated salt solution, sugar can be dissolved.
False.
Wrong answer. Sugar and water mixture can be separated by sublimation.
False.
Right answer. Thank you Team B for the excellent performance. You had 6 out of 8 correct. You get 30 points. Team C, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
kindly introduce your representative.
My name is Shrifina N. Chetri and I am representing Team C.
Alright, Trifina. Your first question for this round is: calorific value of wood is higher than that of coal.
False.
Right answer. Coal is processed in industries to get some useful products like CNG.
False.
Right answer. The shape and size of cells are related to the specific function they perform.
True.
Right answer. All animal cells are found to have the different organelles.
False.
Right answer. After dissolving 10 gram sugar in 100 ml water, the volume of solution thus formed will be more than 100 ml.
True.
Wrong answer. Evaporation and vaporization are different processes.
True.
Right answer. For scientists, milk having no adulterant is a pure substance.
True.
Wrong answer. Alloys are mixtures.
True.
Right answer. Congratulations, Team C. You have got 6 out of 8 correct. You scored 30 points. Alright, Team D, are you ready? Okay, so Team D, kindly introduce your representative.
I'm Sonam Padulepcha and I'm representing my team D.
Alright, Sonam. So, your first question for Team D is: naphthalene balls are obtained from coal tar. It is an organic compound.
True.
Right answer. GM foods do not contain any foreign gene.
False.
Right answer. There are non-coding DNAs.
False.
Wrong answer. In the banking sector, information communication technology (ICT) has been firmly incorporated but not in the healthcare sector.
False.
Right answer. All cells are similar in shape.
False.
Right answer. The term protoplasm is coined by Robert Hooke.
False.
Right answer. The weight of an object is the same whether at moon or at earth.
False.
Right answer. Force of friction is greater if a rough surface is involved.
True.
Right answer. Congratulations, Team D. You had 7 out of 8 correct and you scored 35. Team E, are you ready? Alright, Team E, kindly introduce your representative.
I am Supriya Kumari and I am representing Team E.
Supriya, your first question for Team E is: rigidity is the property for solids only.
True.
Right answer. Detergents are petrochemicals.
False.
Wrong answer. Mercury is a conductor of electricity yet is a liquid.
True.
Right answer. Human beings do not exhibit any polymorphism.
True.
Wrong answer. Every multicellular organism has come from a single cell.
False.
Right answer. Force of gravity does not act on tiny particles like dust particles.
False.
Right answer. During dry weather, clothes made up of synthetic fiber often stick to the skin.
True.
Right answer. Both Indian and Greek ancient philosophers believe in Panchatattva.
False.
Wrong answer. Congratulations, Team E. You had 5 out of 8 correct, which means you scored 25. With this, we have come to the conclusion of Level 2 sci-connect quiz competition. All rounds are over now. I now invite Dr. Sachin Narwadia, scientist and coordinator of sci-connect, to announce the final scores.
Thank you, Ms. Sunita. We had very good competition today. All the teams were very competitive and we had a nail-biting contest. We all must be waiting for end results. Let us see who were ahead of the others. By the end of first round, Team D scored 20 points and Team B scored 10 points. While Team A, Team C and Team E failed to score any points and did not open their account. After round 2, Team B and Team D were at 20 points each. Team C and Team E were on 10 points each. Team A again did not open their account. After round 3, which was buzzer round, Team B surged ahead with one correct answer and improved their score by 10 additional points, taking their overall score to 30 points. However, Team D could not improve their score and remained on 20 points. Team A did well in this round and improved their score with one correct answer and 5 bonus points of pass on question and opened their account with 15 points. After round 4, only Team B could identify the picture and scored 10 points and their overall score was 40 points. After round 5, which was rapid fire round, Team B, who were front runners in previous rounds, moved ahead of the others with 6 correct answers and maintained their lead and emerged as clear winner with 70 points. Team D gave 7 correct answers but could not improve their position and came second with 55 points. Team A gave 6 correct answers and came third with 45 points. Thus the final score for all the teams stand at Team A 45 points, Team B 70 points, Team C 40 points, Team D 55 points and Team E 33 points. My heartiest congratulations to all the teams for giving tough fight to the winning team, that is Team B. So Team B is now recommended for the finals to be held in Agartala. Thank you, Ms. Sevinita Pandey. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sachin sir, for your analysis of the scores of all the teams. I congratulate Team B for winning this quiz competition and all the best for Agartala. I offer my best wishes to all the participants and I pray for your bright future ahead. Now with this, we come to the end of this quiz. Thank you everyone.
Year it is leaving a positive impact because our students are getting exposure and which is very helpful for them, and they are getting an opportunity to connect their theoretical knowledge with practical knowledge, and this Science Connect, this workshop is very helpful because they are providing the kits which are very handy and it is very useful so that they can learn something much more than beyond the textbook.
I think this program is helping the student getting knowledge about science. When we came here, we learned many things about earthquakes, biodiversity and astronomy and many more. We could get knowledge about many things, and I think this will motivate many students towards science. They would get very much idea about science.
Science Connect has made numerous, several difference in my life, because I came to know more things about science and mathematics, and more than that, it makes our life easier by teaching us different lessons about relating to our life.
This program includes not only quiz, which is actually the mainstay of this program, but other various parallel programs like low-cost teaching aid, nature trail, biodiversity study, and these things are bringing, they will be able to make an informed decision in their future. So it's not only about the quiz and session of question and answer, but in the process they will learn so many things which is outside the knowledge of their textbook. So these kind of things are very important for the students.